How to make a public profile on Snap. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a public profile on Snapchat, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now if you want to make a public profile on Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Open up the Snapchat application. Once you've done that, tap on your Bitmoji avatar from the very top left of the screen here. As you do that, right here you'll find an option that says create public profile. Now if you don't find it, it means that your public profile could already be created. In my case, you can say public profile. So if it says my public profile, it means your public profile is already there. So you can just go ahead and tap on my public profile, and you can choose to add a new story, you can add a new follower, you can edit the profile, you can add spotlight videos, you can add some insights to your public profile. This way you can make a public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.